Do you think it's possible to finance a property whether or not the bank says yes or no? Can you purchase a property with absolutely no money down? And is it really necessary to wait until retirement for you to enjoy your freedom? Hi, my name's Karen Goss. I'm a freedom investor and I am a property entrepreneur. That is, I find the ways I need to make it happen in order to purchase property. I look at a property and I go, how can I make money out of this deal? What can I do? I live by the mantra of don't tell me what you can't do, tell me what you can do. And I take that approach to my investing. In this course, I'm going to teach you what finance is really all about when it comes to real estate investing. I'm going to cover off how the mortgage system works. And if you can't get a mortgage, I'm going to teach you the different ways to use alternate financing methods in order to go about getting finance. And then finally, I'm going to teach you at least 13 different ways that you can purchase, control, or get into the real estate industry with very little to no money down. So if you're somebody who's maybe you've hit a wall and the banks are saying no, maybe you're trying to get started, but you're just really struggling with that finance, then this course is for you. If you're some bigwig investor and you're out there on Wall Street, if you know it all, then you're probably not the right person for this course. This is for people with an open mind and they're open to taking an entrepreneurial approach to investing and getting finance from where they can in order to keep going and to keep investing. So the only question left is, do you want to join me? Do you want to come check out one of my free previews and see how you can get into investing today, regardless of whether the bank says yes or no?